Becoming a small business owner is exciting and tough, and I should know because I am one, and I remember clearly those early days. I actually had a weird journey into accountancy because before doing this, I was a small business owner first. Now, I can tell you one thing after working with business owners for more than 18 years is that you are not alone. I wasn't alone, I just didn't know it at the time. And the reason I started this channel was to give some small education in this area to other business owners so they didn't have to go through the pain that I did. I remember clearly that buzz of starting off on this new journey, followed then by some level of like super overwhelm in terms of the practical side of the business finances. Things like, what do I need to tell the government, HMRC? How do I register as a self-employed person? Should I be limited? Should I not? How does the tax work? Is it even a good idea? How should I keep my records? All that kind of stuff. But just how does the tax work? What can I deduct? And like a million more questions. And it's still odd to me to this day that they don't teach more of this in schools. So then I took the odd step and I went super deep on my journey into the subject and ultimately ended up retraining and qualifying to be an accountant. And now for some time I've run a business helping other business owners navigate all this. So the idea of the channel was to create a solid resource where you can get the answers you need from people that actually do this every day, not just some rando online that wants to tell you what they think works. This is actual real life lived experience working with business owners every day. So when you look at these videos and you watch them, if you do think I've got some questions, bung it in the comments. We will always try and pick those up weekly and help you if we can. Now, because we're regulated, we can't give specific one-to-one advice in those comments, but 9 out of 10 times it's just some generic advice or a blog or some other signpost is going to help you get where you need to go. I hope you find values in the videos, and obviously if you do need specific help, reach out to my team. Contact details all over the place on this channel. So watch on.